Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ashwini Dikshit. I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, and if that is something you are interested in, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. To all the haul lovers out there, I have some exciting news. Today I'll be filming a Forever 21 haul video. We have a bunch of stuff to go through, so let's get right into it. To begin with, I picked up a distressed cropped denim jacket, and this is how it looks. And I really like the detailing here, and this unfinished look has my heart. Honestly, I feel these look so funky and I love this. So this was for about $2,299, and I had to get my hands on this. I feel you can never have too many denims. It's just a staple that you can always play with denim in so many ways. So I think denim is something that I truly love. Next up, I picked up this boho top, which has a deep V-neck. It's a bit transparent and it's got full sleeves and it's got elastic in the end. Next up is this fuchsia sweater. It's a bit baggy, and I really like sweaters which are a bit baggy. I feel they're super comfortable and they look so stylish at the same time. And this color has my heart. It's fuchsia and this is so pretty. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you might have noticed me wearing this. So after I finished shopping, we went out for dinner and it got so cold that I did not carry a jacket with me. So I ended up wearing this. So you guys must have seen it on my stories. So yeah, so that's how much I love it. I just ripped off the tag and I wore it the next minute I bought it. And this was almost 2,000 rupees as I remember. So there was a 30% off on this one. So after discount, I got this at 1,399. This was a steal. Next up, I picked up this knitted skirt. And this is how it looks. It's a mini skirt. I was looking for something like this for a very long time, and finally I got my hands on this. This is at 1,799, but after the special price I got this at 1,259, and I think it's totally worth it. Next up, we have this black denim pant. It's got two pockets in the front, two on the sides. This is like that cargo pant style, and I had been looking for this from a very long time, and I finally got my hands on this, and I see myself wearing it very often. This is one of my favorite picks from this haul, and I totally see myself wearing it very often, and I can't wait to style this. So I got this on a discounted price. So the actual price was 2,499, and then I got a 30% off on it, and the special price was 1,750, and I think it's totally worth it. Next up, we have this satin dress in royal blue, and it's got a button detailing on the side. It's got a cowl neck and it droops like this, and this is super trending at the moment. I love all shades of blue, and I thought I had to pick this royal blue because it's such a beautiful shade and this looks gorgeous, so I had to get my hands on this. So this was priced at 1,999 and the sale price was 1,399, and I think it's totally worth it. It's a very fun, flirty dress. It's perfect for date nights and a fun night out with your girls. Totally digging this look right now. So this is my last outfit from this Forever 21 haul. It's in a very pretty color, and I think by now you guys must have seen this color in every clothing haul video that I've done. Yes, it's the lilac velvet dress from Forever 21. It's got a very pretty neck. This is one of my favorite dresses from Forever 21, and I can't wait to wear this. This is priced at 1,999. There was no discount on this, and I can't wait to style this. Last but not the least, I picked up a bunch of accessories from Forever 21. We all know that Forever 21 has some of the cutest accessories. They are inexpensive and they have some pretty styles too. So I ended up picking up a bunch of... Let's dig in. First up, I have this hair accessory, which are rubber bands. So these are the spiral ones. Somehow me and bands don't really have like a good rapport, I feel. I keep losing them and I think every girl can relate to that. So here's a bunch of rubber bands that I picked up, and I've used this earlier. I love these bands. They're super cute. They're not only cute, but they do the job perfectly. So this was at 99 rupees. I picked up another bunch of these rubber bands, which are in this shade. I feel you can never have too many rubber bands, so I ended up picking them. So this is, like I mentioned earlier, we don't really have like a great rapport. So yeah, so I'll pick up some more. And these were at 99. Next up, we have this super pretty headbands. They've got a very pretty detailing, as you can see. They've got these pearl detailing. One is in black and one is in baby pink. How could I just pick one and not pick the other one? So I ended up buying both of it because they're so pretty. And these were at $2.99 each. Next up, we have this chain-like headband. As soon as I saw this, I knew I had to get my hands on them. And this was at $2.99 again. And somehow these days I'm super attracted towards headbands. So I got my hands on them. Next up, I have this really pretty earring, which are like this. So if you couldn't see this clearly, it's got like these two lions on them. And this was at $2.99. I love this earring and I had to get them. Next up, we have this layered neck piece, which is like this. It's got 95 on it and it's got this thick chain, if you can see. There's something about layering your neck pieces, right? I love doing them. As you can see, I wear these bracelets also very often. This one was at rupees 3.99. Next up, I picked up this layered neck piece, which has got this detailing. I can pair this up with so many outfits of mine, so I picked this one up, and this was at $5.99. I wish these could be worn separately, but you can't wear them separately. It's got like a one common loop. Here's the last thing. It's this neck piece, which is in silver. I thought these will look super cool. I tried to get them in gold as well, but I couldn't find them. This was about $3.99. Yes, I see myself wearing this too. Love it. Just take a look at it. I picked up these elastic bands. These are just elastic bands, and this was at rupees 50. So that is it for this Forever 21 haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know your favorites in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe because I will be posting every week. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment and tell me that you have. Until next time,